Hello students, I am Rishabh Agarwal and today I am your math teacher. So let's move to our topic, coordinate geometry. So basically what are coordinate geometry? Let's start. So what is coordinate geometry? It is the branch of maths or a geometry where the position of a point is defined using coordinates. So basically what is coordinate? A coordinate is the position of the point in the Cartesian plane. In the next slide, I will show you the what is the Cartesian plane and what is the coordinate. Coordinate is basically the point which defines the position of the point on the Cartesian plane, means in a graph. It describes it. The next definition is it describes the link between the geometry and the algebra through the graphs involving curves and the lines. The curves are not in your course right now, but we are basically study about the straight lines. So it describes the link between the geometry and the algebra. You are basically aware about the algebra. So let's start. So who is the founder of coordinate geometry? French mathematician René Descartes is the founder of coordinate geometry, which this is the date of birth. Yeah, this is the lifespan of Mr. René Descartes. Now, this is the main or important slide of the coordinate geometry. So these are some important terms which we are. These are some important terms in the coordinate geometry. First of all, first one is coordinates. So basically, what is coordinate? A coordinate is the set of values which helps to show the exact position of a point in the coordinate plane. Coordinate is a set of values. Set of value means it's a ordered pair. Means one axis is x-axis and the another axis is y-axis. In the later slide, we will explain it further. Now let's move to coordinate plane, and these four definition or 4-5 definition is also very important. The coordinate plane, a coordinate plane is 2D plane. You know what is 2D? 2D means two-dimensional. You know 3-dimensional is not possible to draw on the copy. So coordinate plane is basically the 2D plane which is formed by the intersection of two perpendicular lines. One, it is like the cross. So the line which is run across the graph is known as the x-axis, and the line which is perpendicular to the x-axis is known as the y-axis. Now, in your course, there are three formulas. That is basically the distance formula. Distance formula is basically the formula which is used to find the distance between the two coordinates. Now, the second one is section formula. Section formula is basically used to find the coordinates. Used to find the coordinates when the point divides the line in two ratios, say m and n. So these formulas we will derive later on slides. Now the second and third one is the midpoint formula. It is basically the midpoint which is used to derive with the help of the section formula. One topic I forgot to mention here, that is the area of triangle. Now basically this is coordinate. This is the basic slide, and this is the basics of the Cartesian plane. Now basically what is coordinate? What is coordinate? Coordinate is basically I told you is a set of values which helps to show the exact position of the point in the coordinate plane. Suppose this is your coordinate plane. I'll show you the coordinate plane. This is your coordinate plane. It has two scales. Sorry to interrupt. It has two scales, one running across the plane known as x-axis, and another is the right angle, is the y-axis. And where they originally meet is known as the origin. So this point is the origin where I point out here. Now I move to backward slide. So the x coordinate is known as the abscissa and the y coordinate is known as the ordinate. This is the another name of the x and y. The x coordinate is known as abscissa and the y coordinate is known as ordinate. Now the question arises, I mentioned here as you see, 1, 0 lies in which quadrant? Now what is quadrant? Quadrant is when you draw the axis. So there will be 4 quadrants. You can see the 4 quadrants here. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. So quadrant is basically the area divided by the this Cartesian plane. In quadrant 1 you can see x plus and y plus, means you can find both the coordinates like abscissa and ordinate, both the values are in plus. In the second coordinate, in the second quadrant, abscissa will be negative and the ordinate will be positive. Likewise, in quadrant 3, the abscissa is negative and the ordinate is also negative. And in quadrant 4, abscissa is positive and the quadrant is negative. I hope the quadrant is clear. In class 10, the basically it is the 1 mark question. Suppose if I'll ask if 3, 2 lies in which quadrant, so the student answer it is in first quadrant. Like if I ask to which in which quadrant -3, 4 lies, so it must be in the 4th quadrant. So this question is asked by the board. Now this is another question. 1, 0 lies in which quadrant? It is either in first or second. So you have to very careful about whenever the 0 is mentioned. If 1, 0, so 0 is what? 0. 1, 0 lies in which quadrant? It lies on the axis. So whenever there is the 0 in any coordinate, so it must be lies on axis, not in the quadrant. Is that clear, students? So the next topic is distance formula. So basically I told you the definition. The distance between the 2 points is known as the distance formula. Here is the derivation. Here is the derivation.